Welcome everyone, I'm Casey and I love sharing with you style tips and tricks. And today I have a few tricks up my sleeve. I'm gonna be sharing with you 5 style hacks using a hair tie. This little gadget has more potential than your typical messy bun. And I'm gonna show you some style hacks that can be used every day. The first hair tie hack is really great if you have those droopy sleeves that just won't stay up. You know how it goes. You're pushing them up all day, they come down, and you just want them to stick. Then grab a hair tie and I'll show you how to do it. This is really great for blazers or baggy sweaters or even just baggy long sleeve shirts that you need to keep up. So you're gonna grab your hair tie and you're gonna put it right below or above your elbow. Just kind of depends what you're working with. And then you just start cinching everything up. This hair tie is gonna keep it all in place because it's tight. Make sure it's not too tight. You don't wanna cut off circulation. And then just strategically cover it with the fabric and you're good to go. The second hack is going to help you expand your waistline and get a little bit more mileage out of your pants if you're kind of in between sizes. Now this is ideal if you're pregnant, say 3, 4, 5 months, you can still fit in your pants, but it's not super comfortable to button them. This is helpful. Or on the other hand, if you're postpartum and you can fit into your pre-pregnancy pants, but it's also, once again, hard and uncomfortable to button them, or if you've just gained 10 pounds and you're in between sizes, but you don't want to buy another pair of jeans because they're expensive. So this is gonna help you get a little bit more mileage out of your existing pants while still feeling comfortable. Grab your hair tie and loop it around the button and then through the loop. And then take that part that went through the loop and circle back around the button so that it's tied, but you get that wiggle room. And then just remember to cover that button with a shirt that's gonna be long enough. Long baggy sweaters are totally comfortable and practical, and I live in them like 8 months out of the year, but they're not always the most flattering. So this third hair tie hack is going to magically give you a little bit more shape and help you do a nice clean front tuck. And everyone is gonna wonder how you tucked that big old baggy sweater into your skinny jeans or a mini skirt or anything tight underneath without that extra bulk. And it's so easy. You simply gather your sweater in the front like a big old ponytail and wrap it with the hair tie. Are you ready for this? All you do is tuck it up underneath. And it's gonna give you nice clean lines. It's going to accentuate your waist and give it a little bit more definition, and it's just not going to be as baggy. Most importantly, you're not tucking it into your pants, so you're not gonna create that bulk on the front of your pants either. I have done a whole video on how to tuck, tie, and roll your clothes like a stylist, so I will link it up above as well as down below in the description if you wanna watch. The fourth hack is going to make your belts a lot more versatile. If you have a longer belt that you typically wear around your hips with jeans, but you wanna transition it to your waist, maybe you're wearing a dress that you wanna cinch in or a high-rise pencil skirt, then grab yourself one of these little elastic hair ties. My daughter uses these for her hair and they are just littered around the house. Take the elastic and put it around the belt, closest to the belt buckle, and then just put it around your waist like normal. Loop it through, have it go through the belt buckles. And then once you've got that little tail just flapping, put it through the hair tie. It's essentially gonna act as an additional belt buckle, but because it's clear and so little, you're not gonna see it. And it's just gonna keep the tail of your belt in place. The fifth and final hair tie hack is going to help transform just your normal bra into a halter style bra. This is really great if you're in a pinch. So maybe you're going on vacation, you only wanna bring one bra, use this hack, and now you can wear your bra with a halter top and you won't see your straps. Or if you forgot your sports bra, then this can create a makeshift sports bra, once again, giving you that halter style in the back. And it's so easy. You're going to loosen your bra straps and bring them together, making an X. Then you're simply gonna take your hair tie, loop it around underneath, tie it on top, and you're done. This is gonna be a little bit more bulky than an actual halter bra or a bra clip, which you can buy. But if you're in a pinch, this does the job. Thank you for watching my hair tie hacks. These are so simple and practical that you can use them every day. If you learned something, please give this video a like, and even better, subscribe. I love having new viewers into my YouTube family. It makes me so happy. So hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys next time.